Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming essentials. Make sure the target phone has power, cellular or Wi-Fi, and location services on. Next, sign into the same Google or Apple account if you control both devices, because that account links location data across devices. Once done, open Settings and enable Location Sharing or Find My Phone. This authorizes continuous reporting. These steps let you request the device's coordinates without account linkage and permissions. Real-time tracking won't work, so double-check each toggle before moving on. Now open the tracking tool. Google Find My device on Android or Apple Find My on iPhone, or use the web version if needed. You select the target device to view its latest coordinates on a map. Request live location updates to keep tracking as it moves. If the phone is nearby, play a sound to locate it quickly. Also, set sharing duration and permissions so the device keeps reporting. Otherwise, the link may expire and stop sending updates. So make sure to confirm sharing intervals. Finish by confirming accuracy. Compare multiple map fixes and check timestamps to ensure the position is recent. If the phone doesn't show up, make sure it has battery, is not in airplane mode, and has granted location and account permissions. Also confirm it has internet access so coordinates upload. Once you fix those issues, retry. If the device appears offline, rely on the last known location, and if theft is suspected, preserve evidence and contact law enforcement rather than pursuing the device yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.